Ladies and gentlemen, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Gran Abakahin GSC. Together with our Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Frankie O.
Honorable Medical Amplaya Jr. on behalf of our guest of honor speaker, First District Representative of Cagayan de Oro City, Honorable Jordan G.
Bukay kamay! Na! Ano, bukay kamay? Na!
Bayang pag-ibig, pwede sa silanganan, hanap ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, nguyat ka ng mag-ibig, sa manlulukin, di ka pasisihin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong buhay. May nilatang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang islap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagbibigay, ang ituwin ng araw na kailan ay mabibigay. Lupa ng araw ng buwan, ating pagsinta, buhay langit sa Pinoy. Aming bigaya ng pag may makapit, ang mga kailang dahil sa'yo. Republic of the Philippines, Department of Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Fire Protection Regional Office 10, welcomes everyone to the 33rd BFP anniversary and 123 years of fire service with this year's theme, Bumberong Bayani ng Bayan, maaasahan para sa kaligtasan ng mamamayan. Fire Senior Superintendent Franklin O. Ratamil GSC, Assistant Regional Director for Administration, BFP Region 10, shall now give his welcome message.
Doa lagi sa tumunod to be introduced later. To our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Gran Abakahin, to Honorable Hania P. Sayang, Chung Municipal Mayor of Baliano, to Honorable Bertoldo G. Mario Jr. Chair, Municipal Mayor of Don Victoriano, Misamis Occidental. So malamig ang lugar doon sa Dundik. to Mr. Kamunay Sir, Secretary Panahon, Misamis Occidental, to Honorable Lorito A. Lorigo, Sir, EDC Federation President, Clarendon, Misamis Occidental, to Mr. Nelson Mercado, SB Member, Sinakaban, Misamis Occidental, to Honorable Tulip Vidal Mikiawas, Ma'am, Municipal Mayor of Bacolod, Lanao del Norte, to Mr. Lixar O. Basilio, Municipal Administrator, Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte, to Honorable Roderick P. Catalingho, Municipal Vice Mayor of Sapad, Lanao del Norte, to Lieutenant Colonel Adonis Lasso Mutya, Public Order and Safety Command Center, Lidan City, to Honorable Eduardo Ayunting Sir, City Councilor, Salvador City, Misamis Occidental, to Honorable Music West J. Akay, Municipal Mayor of Initaw, Misamis Occidental, to Honorable William Poy Galiugo, Sangguniang Bayan Member, Libertad, Misamis Occidental, to Honorable Nato In Charger, Municipal Mayor, Idina, Misamis Occidental, to Honorable G. Francis Tribago Sir, Municipal Mayor of Bocol, Misamis Occidental, to Honorable Philip S. Roras, Barangay Captain, Mambuaya, Cagayan de Oro City, to Mr. Noel D. Bo, Councilor Libuna Bukidnon, to Alvin H. Fabrique, Executive Assistant, 5 Pitangkaw, Bukidnon, to Mr. Roque H. Rios, Executive Assistant 4, Valencia City, Bukidnon, Attorney Beverly Ann Musni, Municipal Administrator, Malimpok, Bukidnon, to BJP Regional Director, Chief Superintendent Cesar Kim Langawin Sir, to CG Como Vincent Vista, Philippine Coast Guard, to Police Colonel Rinanti R. Reyes, Chief Arcad PP, to Major Edwin Francisco, Port ID Philippine Army, to Mrs. Marian P. Casinio, Malikbog, Bukidnon, to Mr. Melvin Ang Sir, Fire volunteer GI Osamis City, Misamis Occidental. So sa kada sunog sa Osamis, naging siya mag-drive sa iyang fire truck. Dahil mga fire truck na maayo, ayaw sa Osamis, karon ligis sa Pugon Fire Station. Kada tuwing naanin siya sa itong awarding, kasi maulaw na siya. Pero continuous na iyang support, pininti na gini siya, may natin mo rin. So, Mr. Ro Francis Q. Piscos, Fire Volunteer, LDA Alquino, LDO San Fernando, Bukidnon. So, Dear Senior Superintendent Samuel E. Palyunay Jr., ERB Corporations, BTP. To our State Auditor Board, Audit Team Leader, Commission on Audit, Mr. Muhammad Rasdi P. Masurong Jr. To our ARCO Senior Superintendent Richie Emmanuel Pabrik, to our Regional Chief of Staff Senior Superintendent Alan Asok Kamot, to the other key officers, non-commissioned officers, BFP, BGP, Coast Guard, Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Army, other agencies, NGOs, visitors, good morning. It is with great pride and honor that I stand here to welcome you all as we commemorate the 33rd anniversary of the Bureau of Fire Protection. Often performed under the most difficult circumstances, demonstrate the true meaning of heroism. As we gather here today, let us take this opportunity to reflect on the strides we have made in enhancing our capabilities, improving our response times, and most importantly, in earning the trust and confidence of the communities we serve. Our journey has not been without its challenges, but its hurdle has only strengthened our resolve to serve with excellence. We are deeply grateful to our partners in local government and national government, whom all busy schedules are with us today. Our colleagues in various government agencies and the private sectors who have been steadfast in their support. Your collaboration and commitment have been instrumental in helping us achieve our objectives and deliver on our promise to protect and serve. To our brave men and women in uniform, this celebration is tribute to your relentless courage and selflessness. Your commitment to the Bureau's mission continues to inspire and uplift for public service. As we look to the future, let us remember to embrace continuous lifelong learning. The field of fire protection and emergency response is ever evolving. What work yesterday may not be difficult tomorrow. invest your knowledge to stay updated with the latest techniques and technologies and never stop learning. Your growth is directly tied to the effectiveness of our service. In closing, in this 23rd anniversary and 123rd fire service serve as a reminder of our shared responsibility to ensure the safety and well-being of our nation. Together, let us continue to build a pure fire protection that is truly dependable and responsive to the needs of the people. Once again, thank you for your presence here today. Welcome and happy 35th anniversary to the Pure Fire Protection. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Thank you, sir. At this point, we request everyone to direct your attention to the audio-visual presentation of the BFP Region 10's milestone of accomplishment over the past years.
To present the award to our recipients, may we request Fire Chief Superintendent Alma Grant Kamakayan, DSC Regional Director, BFP 10, now, with the presence of the representative of our guest of honor and speaker, Honor Roberto Ampayo Jr., Assistant First District Director, Cagayan City, to be assisted by our Assistant Director for Administration, Fire Senior Superintendent Franklin O. Radonil, DSC, also a chairperson of the Regional Praise Committee.